Hello, everyone. This is a short English story for listening practice. The story is called The Locked Door Lesson. My parents left early that evening. Before they closed the door, my mother said, "Be careful, lock the door and stay inside." I smiled and waved goodbye, but I was distracted. I wanted to watch TV and eat dinner alone for the first time. After they left, the house felt very quiet. I ordered food and waited in the living room. When the delivery arrived, I opened the door quickly. I took the food and forgot something important. I forgot to lock the door. Later, while I was eating, I heard a strange sound. It was soft, like footsteps. At first, I thought it was my imagination. Then, I heard it again. My heart started beating fast. I stood up slowly and looked around the house. Everything looked normal, but something felt wrong. I went to the kitchen to get some water. That's when I saw it. The door was open. I froze. Someone was inside my house. I remembered my parents' words, "Lock the door and stay safe." I did not panic. I went back quietly and closed myself in a small room. My hands were shaking, but I stayed calm. I took my phone and called the police. I whispered, "There is someone in my house. I am alone and very scared." The officer told me to stay quiet and not move. Minutes felt like hours. I heard drawers opening and things falling. Whoever it was, they were looking for something valuable. Suddenly, I heard loud voices. "Police, come out now!" Then silence. After a few moments, someone knocked gently on the door. "It's okay. You are safe now." I opened the door slowly. The police officer smiled and said, "You were very brave. You did the right thing." I felt relief for the first time that night. When my parents came home, I hugged them tightly. I told them everything. That night, I learned an important lesson. Being careful can save you, and locking the door is never a small thing.